guys, welcome back to my channel. I feel like this is kind of the sequel to my Minneapolis hockey vlog for you guys. We went there, we went down, had a hockey tournament for our boys on the Thanksgiving weekend and did some Black Friday shopping on Saturday and Sunday. So I'm going to show you what I got down there. So if you haven't seen the hockey vlog, then it'll be linked at the video at the end. So check that out if you want to see what a hockey weekend is all about. So yeah, if you guys haven't already, it would be so great if you could subscribe to my channel, and if you would like to see what I got when I was shopping in the Mall of America, then just keep watching. Alright, so first I am gonna start off with makeup. Speaking of makeup, I feel like my brows are a little out of control today. I went a little overboard, and yeah, just bear with my really bold brows. So I went to Ulta. We don't have an Ulta where I'm from. We have Sephora, but at Ulta, they now carry the KKW Beauty, which I was so excited about. I didn't order anything ever because for me, I'm not going to order makeup if I can't see it and try it on my skin. So I'm so excited to finally get to try out some of Kim's products. So I picked up the Cream Contour Highlight Set in the shade Light Medium. I'm wearing that. I picked up one of her lip liners, Nude in shade 1. And then I also picked up one of Kylie's new skin concealers in the shade Ivory. And I also got the Naked Urban Decay Honey Palette. This is so beautiful. I am not a huge eyeshadow person. I don't wear much eyeshadow, and I like to stick to neutrals. So if you want, look how gorgeous. If you want a nice neutral palette, like this one is perfect. So there I am again. It is so gorgeous. When they first came out with their Urban Decay Naked palette, like I had the first one and I had it forever because that's all I really needed. So I think this will be something that will last me forever. So I'm gonna do another makeup video trying out these products and do a makeup look with them, and then just kind of talk more about them. So yes, that was the makeup I picked up. All right, so getting into clothes, I'm gonna grab something actually that my son bought because it will fit me too as well. It's so cute. So proud of my stylish little boys. So he picked up this really cute Nike hoodie, and I'm gonna try that on for you guys because it's so cute and comfy. So yes, he got that from the Nike store. So maybe I'll just go by store here. So I went to Zara first, hoping that there would be some sales, and in my video in the vlog I was like, oh, all the sales happened on Friday. No, just for Zara they happened Friday. Everywhere else still had their Black Friday sales on. So at Zara I picked up one of the Dumbo t-shirts. I feel like the whole set of these, like, what else do they have? Dumbo, and what else do they do? Bambi, all the Disney movies. Like, I just feel like these Zara t-shirts are like just one of the staples now to have. And then I just picked up a simple cropped gray crew neck because I have oversized ones and hoodies, and this was just really cute and fit well, and the price was awesome. So the other place that I shopped, I went into H&M. They had a lot of things on sale, but it was just a lot and nothing really caught my eye too much. So I went to Forever 21 because all of the Forever 21s closed in Canada. So that's my cry face. So I wanted to go there and see if they had any good deals, and they did. So I picked up these really cute nude neutral sweatpants. And yeah, there was like, I think 30% off your entire bill, so that worked out. I picked up some cute scrunchies in a different color. Why did the scrunchie ever go out? Like, just so cute, so easy to put your hair up, doesn't hurt. This one's really cute, the oversized one. Like, I don't know why we stopped wearing them. Like, how cute is that? Doesn't crease your hair either. So I got those. And then I picked up just another simple, like, I'm so boring when it comes to my style and fashion. It's just all comfort and cozy and casual. Like, I should, when I'm out of town, buy something a little dressier for special occasions, things that they might not have here, but I don't, because I just want to be comfortable. So this little cropped number, and then I got this cute puffer cropped jacket, which is a mix of the shearling fleece, teddy fleece, what else do you want to call it? I don't know, Sherpa, and then the puffer, and it fits so cute, and it was $25 American, but 30% off, so it was like such a good deal. So I am going to try that stuff all on for you guys. I almost forgot. How can I forget? So I also picked up some, these are the newer Doc Martens in a nice cognac camel color with the fleece lining. So nice. Can wear them in wintertime, and yeah, they had a great sale going on. So picked up those too. Love them. All right, so this is the hoodie that my son bought. Fits me perfect, so on the days that he's not wearing it, I can totally steal it from him. And yeah, super cute with just some leggings and runners. Their future girlfriends are gonna be lucky because they'll have cute stuff to steal from them. All right, here is the tee from Zara, and I just paired it with some mom jeans and some little booties. Yeah, you could wear it with sweats, with leggings, with anything. You could wear it tucked in, you could wear it with a skirt, the faux leather leggings. Super, super cute. And I got it in a size small, and it's still got that kind of oversized feeling to it too. This is the cropped sweater from Zara. I love that it has the drop sleeve. Sometimes when you want to wear things that are oversized and the sleeve is still up here, it kind of puffs out a lot and gives you really broad shoulders. So it's nice when they do the drop sleeve and the longer sleeves. And yeah, it's just really cute. You can wear it with jeans or leggings as well. Just wearing it with my sweatpants from Urban Planet. All right, this is the puffer jacket. So cute. I love the fit. I love where it hits on the waist. It's not warm enough to wear today because it's like -30, but on the milder winter days I could totally wear it. So just another jacket to wear, another selection to have when you constantly have winter weather. All right, these are the sweatpants that I picked up. I love them. They're so comfortable. I love the fit. I love that they have pockets and a little pocket in the back. I love the little detailing. I wish I would have got them in another color as well, just because they are so comfortable. And yeah, really cute fit. All right, this is the last look. This is the cropped hoodie from Forever 21. I love that it has a higher neck here. Sometimes hoodies kind of droop low, and then if you're wearing a t-shirt or something under, you see it. But this way, if you're cold, you can layer underneath and you won't see your t-shirt or your long sleeve underneath. I like that it has the longer sleeves as well. Sometimes when you get a smaller cropped sweater, they'll have short sleeves, but this one doesn't. I like the hood. And these are the boots that I got, the Doc Martens. They're fleece lined, so they're super warm. I don't know if that's fleece. Is it fleece? I don't know. They're furry lined, faux furry lined. Very comfortable. Yeah, I just wanted something a little different. I don't have any cognac boots and just wanted to have a nice brown boot. So there you have it. I'm really excited that I finally finished this video. For whatever reason, I feel like I can't wear my new things unless I've done a video, so tags can come off now. I'll probably wear this outfit out to go do Christmas shopping. So yeah, last outfit. Super cute. You can wear these with anything. This is just what I picked. A lot of times I'll repeat pants that I've worn before just because why not? Why not use what you already have instead of constantly buying new things? Is it my camera's dirty. I thought it was the mirror, but it's my camera. So yes, there you have it. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and the outfits, and I will link as much as I can below for you guys, and I will see you guys again soon.